Hi guys, in this video we'll be looking at how to set up a store on Afiaprime as a vendor or someone interested in selling things online. First of all, you go to your browser and enter afiaprime.com, and it'll take us to the landing page, and all you need to do is click sign in. We can't log in because we don't have an account, so we're going to go through the registration process so you see the step-by-step process, how easy and straightforward it is to have a store or create a store on Afiaprime. So you click on register. For the sake of this demonstration, we're going to be setting up an art store. So we enter our first name, Mo Spirit. We use the email mothespirit@gmail.com, and we enter a strong password that we're sure we won't forget easily. You confirm password. And then you select whether you're registering as a buyer or a vendor. For this video, we're registering as a vendor. So you select that and you click on create account. And then you get this modal or this pop-up that tells you to check your email to verify your registration. And then it gives you a list of what to do next. Once verified, you'll be able to set up your store and start selling on Afiaprime. As simple as that. So what you do at this stage, you just go straight to your email, click the link, verify your account, and continue with the process. In the next video, we would have verified our email, and we'll see the next process. See you in the next video.